Hi guys, welcome to another one of our videos. My name is Susanna and today we are going to have a look at some cleaning vocabulary together. So I bet that every one of you basically cleans his or her apartment or house once in a while, or you might even work in the housekeeping or somewhere in a hotel. So basically this lesson or this video might be helpful for you too. So let's get started. So basically every time whenever I start cleaning my house, I put on these, and these are what we call rubber gloves, right? So I like them because basically they keep my hands clean as well. So one more time, rubber gloves. Now, once I have my rubber gloves on, I always go to the bathroom first and I clean that. And for cleaning of my bathroom, I always use this bathroom spray cleaner. So this is one more time, a bathroom spray cleaner. And I also use some paper towels, right? Paper towels. And I also take some form of a brush or a sponge with me that will help you to clean everything a little bit better, right? So one more time, this is a bathroom spray cleaner, paper towels, and this is a brush, but you can also use a sponge that I don't have here at the moment. Anyways, if you also, for example, clean the kitchen, you can also use some form of a spray cleaner, right? So that you can call it either a kitchen spray cleaner, or a lot of people just use the universal spray cleaner. So that is basically for anything, like for any surface, for the bathroom, for the kitchen, for anywhere, right? So that's it. And now, every time when I am in the bathroom, I also cannot avoid cleaning the toilet, right? And for cleaning of my toilet, the most important thing is this thing, and that's the toilet brush. Yes, one more time, a toilet brush. But let's put that away for a while. Now, let's say that let's say there is a lot of dust on my furniture, right? And I wanna remove that. So in that case, I will take this. And this is a dust cloth. One more time, a dust cloth, right? So a dust cloth can help you if you just wanna, right, remove the dust from your furniture, right? So one more time, this is a dust cloth. For some people, or I even sometimes use wet wipes. So these are especially for wood, right? So this furniture is like wooden, so in that case I would use these wet wipes. But again, in the shop you can also find universal wet wipes that you can use for like any surface. So you can use them basically anywhere, right? In the kitchen, in the bathroom, anywhere. So one more time, wet wipes. And now let's say that every time I clean, I use my wet wipes, I use my paper towels, and once they are dirty, I just want to throw them away somewhere, right? So in that case, I always have a trash bag. So this is a trash bag, right? And I just throw away all the things that are dirty in there, right? So one more time, a trash bag. And I also clean the floor, of course. So for cleaning of the floor, you can use a broom and a dustpan. So this is a dustpan, this is a broom. You might also have, like the traditional big one, but this is the little tiny one. So we have a broom and a dustpan. Or if you want to make your life easier, you can use this. That is basically standing next to me the whole time, and that's the vacuum cleaner, right? So this is the vacuum cleaner, or you can also call it a hoover. And yeah, that can basically help you a lot because it takes forever, right, to clean the floor just with a broom. So anyways, these are just a few words that I wanted to teach you today. I hope you found them useful. I hope that you learned at least a few new words today. In case you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And that would be it. So I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care and have a great day. Bye!